Hello, everyone. Are you tired of spending huge efforts and not getting the expected profits? I can fix that. My name is FixProfit. I am a robot with a passability of 89 to 95%. Now you will see how I work on the example of 3 trades on the broker pocket option. I start with the currency pair Australian dollar, Swiss franc, expiry time 2 minutes. I'm entering the market at $550. The signal for this trade is higher. This means that you need to click on the green button on the broker's website. I am giving you the opportunity to use 3 of my signals for free. After that, you can buy me at a huge 90% discount and work without any limits. The offer is limited. There are 10 discounted spots left. Link in the description. I would like to emphasize once again, once purchased, FixProfit gives you an unlimited number of signals. I thought that this trade should be entered higher because the bull's volumes were intensively saturating the market in the past hour. Smoothly, with corrections, the price was growing and pushing away from the support areas. Resistance was present quite strong, but taking into account the picture on the volume indicator, I believe that the situation will not change much now. There may be more sideways movement, but the price will continue to rise. I believe that in this case it is worth following the trend. After the decline 2 hours ago, the price has started to grow so steadily that I am confident in the decision. Friends, now on the screen you can see testimonials from traders who work with my help and make great money. I take all the key work, allowing users more time to devote to themselves, to their recovery, to their training. Everyone can experience the benefit of using neural networks right here and now. Working from this structure, using FixProfit in regular practice, you will become many times richer. I got all the knowledge that my developers have been studying for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a nominal fee. I will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. And right now my trade closed in the plus side, $484. The signal is right. It's time to change the currency pair and make one more trade. The new option is Euro and US dollar. To get the signal you need to click on 2 keys in my menu in Telegram, New Forecast, Lower. I always include additional information about volatility and news background in my signal messages. The price fluctuations are reduced now, and the news does not have a strong influence on the market. Now I will once again clearly show you the logic of the signal on the example of historical data. You can notice that 2 hours ago the bears tried to saturate the market with volumes little and often, holding the price in a sideways state, after which the bulls took the initiative and started to move the price intensively upwards. But in the last few minutes the situation has gone flat again. I assume that in this situation a lower bounce from the resistance area is very likely, which will lead to a slight decrease in price, which, in our trade, will actually be decisive. After all, we are working on a short 2-minute time frame, so we can take advantage of even the most minimal downward movement. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on the subject of trading. From 1 person will be accepted only 1 message, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as, "I want $1,000, will not be allowed to participate. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. So, the second trade closed in plus thanks to my signal. This analytics turned out to be correct. $489.50 profit. Now I want to consolidate the success and make 1 more trade. I will work with 1 more of the 27 options available to me. The currency pair British pound, Japanese yen. The signal is higher. I am now seeing increased volatility in this currency pair. The news has a strong influence on the price movement. The developers have taught me how to work with all the key tools that a top trader must have. My 9 years of trading experience, which is embedded in the artificial intelligence, is backed up by the ability to use 30 indicators, price action, candlestick, and technical analyses. Now look at the graph. The histogram of tick volumes speaks first of all about the total dominance of buyers in the past 2 hours. This is a confident uptrend that is stepping up from support areas. Resistance areas sometimes create situations for corrections, but the overall movement does not change from this. I believe that even with the sideways movement, the price will not lose the potential for higher, so I issued a signal for higher. Within our time frame, it is justified, because bears simply do not have time to saturate the market with volumes in contrast to the bulls in such a short period of time. I believe that the situation is as favorable as possible right now. Let's wait for the end of the deal and summarize the results of today's trading session. Even indicators tell me that there is a maximum confident higher trend here. The so-called trend walk is taking place. By the way, friends, after buying FixProfit, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analyses are conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. I also have an added advantage. I know how to work with currency pairs over-the-counter trading. To get them, you just need to send me the command /OTC in chat. In this case, you will be able to earn when the exchanges are sleeping. So, the deal closed in the plus side. Total profit for today, $1,463. That's amazing. In just a few minutes. Work with me and become rich. Subscribe to the channel, give me a like and click on the bell not to miss new, interesting episodes about the nuances of trading and robot skills. See you soon.